Who was the first Ahom king of Assam? Rudra Singha, Sohumong, Sukafa, Gadadhar Singha. Daughter C. Sukafa. Who led the Ahom army in the Battle of Sraigat? Pratap Singha, Suklengmung, Lasit Barpukon, Rudra Singha. Daughter C. Lasit Barpukon. Who was the last Ahom king? Pratap Singha, Suklengmung, Lasit Barpukon, Purandar Singha. Daughter D. Purandar Singha. Which dynasty ruled Assam before the Ahoms? Pratap Singha, Suklengmung, Pala dynasty, Purandar Singha. Daughter C. Pala dynasty. Who was the founder of the Koch dynasty? Biswa Singha, Suklengmung, Pala dynasty, Purandar Singha. Daughter A. Biswa Singha. Which Mughal general was defeated in the Battle of Sraigat? Mir Jumla, Man Singh, Ram Singh, Kutubuddin Aibak. Daughter C. Ram Singh. Which British officer introduced tea cultivation in Assam? David Scott, Alexander Bruce, Charles Allen, Robert Bruce. Daughter D. Robert Bruce. Who was the first British commissioner of Assam? David Scott, Alexander Bruce, Charles Allen, Robert Bruce. Daughter A. David Scott. Which river flows through Assam? Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Godavari. Daughter B. Brahmaputra. Which national park in Assam is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Orang, Dibru-Saikhowa, Manas, Nameri. Daughter C. Manas. Which is the largest river island in the world? Umananda, Dibru, Majuli, Haju. Daughter C. Majuli. Which district is famous for its tea garden? Nalbari, Dibrugarh, Gwalpara, Borpeta. Daughter B. Dibrugarh. এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ আমাৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি বেল আইকন অন কৰি থ'ব যাতে ভিডিঅ' আপলোড কৰাৰ লগে লগে আপোনালোকে ন'টিফিকেশ্যন পাবলৈ সক্ষম হয়।